What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Earlier this month, Samsung announced its much awaited Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone at the second iteration of the Galaxy Unpacked 2020 event. The next generation foldable smartphone brought important improvement in every single way when compared with its predecessor. While the device went official 2 weeks ago, the Indian launch and its associated details were unknown until now. Thanks to a notable tipster Ishan Agarwal, we now have some crucial information for the potential Indian purchasers of the foldable device. According to some industry sources, the all-new Galaxy Z Fold 2 smartphone will arrive with a price tag of 150,000 Indian rupees. For the Indian market, the pre-orders of the device has not commenced. Well, according to the report, it will kick off from September in the country. The purchase unit on the other hand will see its shipping from September 26. Apart from Indian pricing, the industry insider has also revealed the price range of accompanying accessories. Considering the pricing on the other markets, the Indian consumer might end up saving better than the rest. Over the weekend, an Apple leaker has claimed that during the Time Flies event on September 15th, as well as announcement on a new iPhone, iWatch and more, Apple are planning to announce an ARM-based 14-inch MacBook Pro 2. Apple Cider in a Reddit thread is claiming that Apple will announce a 14-inch ARM-powered MacBook Pro. It will be the same size as a 13.3 MacBook Pro but with slimmer bezels to accommodate the larger screen, and the price of the 14-inch MacBook Pro will be the same as the current 13.3-inch Intel-powered MacBook Pro. The leaker also claiming that the internal GPU, which will be a system-on-chip, which means the GPU and processor will be on one chip in the unit, will be comparable to the Radeon Pro 5500M, and that the overall performance metrics of the upcoming 14-inch will be in the line with the current 16-inch MacBook Pro. As to the other specs, it's predicted that it will have an A14 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and 4 USB ports. It's early days and information is limited, but as we have discussed in other Apple Silicon related articles, the power of the Apple ARM based SoC equipped laptops will be significant. Obviously, Apple Logic Pro user will have a head start, as once Big Sur is released, Logic Pro will be able to run natively on Apple Silicon. Other DAWs will have to run on emulation until the developers produce an Apple Silicon native version, but even running under emulation the performance looks promising, but to be sure, we'll have to wait and see. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.